Nah, this guy don't fucking girl. Don't fucking girl. Give me my money. Give me my share of that money.
Don't you say you kill me? Oh. Please,
Give
I don't know
me
what you're talking
share.
about.
Yeah, now I'm not doing it now. What's wrong with you?
What is it?
Give me that money.
Which one are you talking about? I don't understand. I'm not holding
I need
any
the share of the money now.
What money are you talking about?
You know, I'm the one that introduced you to this guy.
And so what?
Climbed me. I'm the one he climbed, not you.
So I want to go and use the money to repair myself. Let me just take good care of myself. He's my boyfriend for crying out loud.
Give me that money. Give me half of that money.
See,
Get one here.
I'm respecting you because you're my elder sister.
I don't know who will get back.
It's in my pocket. You see there.
Come back here. I'm still talking to you. Let me get that money.
You look at me.
You know, give me that money.
Wait. I know say this girl know this house. I talk her. This is Jennifer Abinamimi. I don't know which one be her name. Eh? But now she go know who Odenga be. Because this gate I no go open her. She go dey there if she come back. Every time the person go dey waka like a luxurious bus. We dey go Benin or the expressway. Don't worry. I go see you Odenga for life.
Move it down! Huh? This is anyone.
Odenga, it's me. Please open the gate.
Where is the Mimi they go? Eh? See, if you just they go back from that place where they talk come from. This early morning, where you come from?
Huh? No, I don't fit do that. My mother instruction, I know to do. If you know that place where you take come from, they go back immediately. They hear me, so?
Odenga, will you open this gate for me now?
Ah! See, if you break this gate, I tell you, if you go repair, you don't hear me, so don't break this gate.
Oh, madam go use your school fees and repair am.
Odi.
Hey.
Odi, my love, please, now it's me.
No go there, not just call me OD. My name no Odenga. You understand? If you use your this kind sweet voice, if you toast me, self, me I no go gree at all. I no go gree.
Open the gate.
I know they open am. Go back. Yeah, they said you.
Really? Oh, what is wrong with you? Here.
Odenga, open this gate now. If I come inside there, I will deal with you. Open this gate.
Don't sleep
You
there.
open this gate now.
You put your nose.
Odenga, come on now. Odi.
Leave here now.
Open the gate
You
now.
go sleep there today. Hey. See you, my tell her.
No be say if na carry all this corny way, come they call me OD. No, my name na Odenga. Get that one.
Odi, Odenga, whatever. I came to ask you, why is it that you always deprive me of going out?
You don't carry this your grandma come. Now the instruction where madam give me now why they say make I no allow una cross this gate oh.
Now, everything when madam tell you, now you go.
Now. Na everything wey madam tell me say na the thing wey I dey do. But if you say ma I no do wetin madam tell me say make I do, you come now make we do business.
What kind of business?
Ha! See wetin I dey tell you now be say if you want to cross this gate, if you want to be crossing this gate like you dey cross Benin or expressway, you come make we do business. You see all these guys wey you dey meet, those money wey you dey collect from them, share am into two, give me my win share. You understand? And if you finish if you do finish with them, you come back, you allow Odenga to do now. But you know be firewood o.
So is that all?
That is the business.
Okay. I accept.
Hey, eh?
I accept now.
You accept? Wait, oh, you understand what I tell you? Eh? Hey. Okay, if you say you accept, I just. Hey! Hey! Why do you beat me? You don't say you accept.
Do you know if Madam is watching us?
Leave madam, leave me. I feel handle madam, Jerry.
If I come out with the kids for the child.
Come out to the gate.
Hey! Go. I can wait for you. Hey! Hey! This is not real business.
Cynthia.
Yes, stop.
You know our mom will be traveling tomorrow.
Yes.
See, I want to deal with that skit man. So what do you think? You're right too. So what do you think we're gonna do?
Hey, let me think. Hey, sister. When our mom travels, we manage sneak out of the house. When coming back, we come alongside with Emeka. When Emeka comes in to the compound, we tie him down. Beat him up. We'll flog his bum. What do you think? Hey! You have it. You have something upstairs. That's what we're gonna do. Take 5. Good. Yes. I love the idea. I will teach him a lesson. Don't forget him. I hate him so much. With passion. Don't mind great passion. Don't mind the stupid boy. That boy. Okay. We shall see.
Accepted my request.
Then
I know you will like it very well now. Oh, danger. You know you are a very fine boy. I told you now. This is not for Hey! Go, danger. See, let me tell you. I'll do everything for you. Everything you can do. See, what am I doing?
Come back here. Come back here. Say nothing to you. Come back here. Come back here. How many times have I warned you to leave the house? How many times have I warned you? Stay away from Capito. Please. I beg you in the name of God. Stay away from him for me, Biko.
Which guy are we talking about? Capito. Is it my boyfriend or your boyfriend? Are you not a boyfriend snatcher? Wait a minute. No. Or you think it's by showing this your 2 useless saggy breasts? What? You think he prefer you more than me? You must be dreaming.
Amaka. Amaka. I am your elder sister.
I don't even need the respect.
No, I'm keeping quiet.
That's what?
Show you my name here.
Oh, that's what? Now what would you do?
This guy asked for me, oh. Yes, I pushed you. What will you do? Leave my boyfriend for me, oh.
See, the reason why I've been keeping you quiet in this house is because you are my younger sister. But if you push me to the wall, I will stick on your face. It's not my size.
What will you do?
It's not my size, though.
What will you do?
What will I do?
Yes.
What's this thing? You know what I'm doing? Pass it now.
Stop. What is this game with this game? Stop it! Yeah, please. I said stop. Okay. Mom, please. I beg you in the name of God. Tell this your useless daughter to leave my boyfriend for me. Biko.
Mom, I'm not there for trouble. Please tell this your useless daughter to stay away from. Who doesn't know that Capito is my boyfriend? Who doesn't know?
of a man.
Mommy, she did not stay away from my boyfriend. You see this her face, I will destroy you.
Jennifer.
Hey!
I am disappointed. I'm very, very ashamed of two of you. Two of you are fools! Fighting because of a man! This left children. So we stop. Mom, come now! Did I hear you say, come back here now?
Wait. Talking about useless. Who is even useless?
Two of you are useless. Useless children. Fighting because of a man.
That's what I'm saying. If we are useless, Mom, we took it after you. Oh, yes.
Like mother, like daughter.
Or you don't know that we know what you and that useless Odinga is doing in this compound. So we don't know how you probably doing 1 + 1. Mom, forget that thing again.
Nemesis has catch up with you! Useless woman! You're a useless woman, or you're a fool! Please, stay off our business. Our business, are yours. It's not your business, don't go! Carry your whole body, just carry yourself and leave here! Stay back, corner! Get for this woman, I can hear you! Stay back, corner! I'll get it. And you, I'll leave you money from you. First and last time, stay away from that guy from me! Stay away from that guy from me, oh!
Your size don't know.
Mother, come back here!
Hey, stop there. Stand there. Where did they go? Where you carry this and come from?
What kind of embarrassment is this?
Because madam no dey this hand. Now someone go carry my food this hand.
Point of correction. Is my sweet Emeka.
Hey!
The man you've been talking about.
Hey.
Darling.
Hey!
He's the bingo, the pigeon I'll be telling you about.
Hey! See, if you like, I go tell you say na me be Igbo bingo. Okay? You know ask them. Eh? You know ask them oh. Make una carry this man come on for here.
You better respect yourself.
Eh? You talk with.
Baby, please don't mind him. Let's go.
Hey, wait there. If you move an inch, I go tell you why they call me Odengana. Try me now.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, if you move now, you want make a change that for you? I'm okay now. They not tell you. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Yes.
What is wrong with you? Don't give me rope to tie this dog.
Tie him now. Tie him.
I never chopped this.
Tie him up.
Since night, and I'm hungry. They want me, madam. Madam, you madam, go enter my body.
Nonsense.
Madam, I'm not well. Madam, hey.
Next time you come and stop me and my guest again.
I beg you. Madam, I go there.
See, like, this is your gate, Marco.
I beg you.
Village town.
Madam, I dey get daddy, romanticism. Madam, picking you. I dey get romanticism, madam. Madam, I beg you, madam, I beg you. I never chop this morning, madam. That's why I go there. Oh,
Come on.
Hey, idiot! Are you looking at us? Look at that guy. But then, get out! I want to poop.
Holy shit! Come on! Do it in there! Do it in! Come on! Yeah, baby! Oh my god!
Hey, thank God you are back, Madam. Thank God. Thank God you are back. Hey,
Odeng,
Madam.
what is all this? Why you like this?
Now you're begin them.
Did what?
The one you call Cynthia and Jennifer. That one you they call Mimi. And don't do me this thing.
They're the one that tie you like this.
Yes, Madam.
What happened? What did you do to them?
As I dey talk now, your house done on fire.
My house?
Yes. Madam, come back. No be that kind of fire. Come back. Our people talk. If wind blow, you can't see fire. Madam, your begin then day inside there. 3 days now. They day with men. They do me for when they dama. They day with men. 3 days, madam. I never chop. Madam, come and tie this thing.
Wait, I am coming.
Madam,
Cynthia!
madam, come and tie. Madam, hey, madam, come and tie me. I know they walk again, no. Madam, come and tie me. Man, they go my house, so. Madam, hey, madam, come and tie me before you go carry them come home. I know they walk again. Ha. Hey, I want. Madam. This guy.
You chicken in the I'm not afraid of you. I don't give a what is this?
As for you children, just wait for me. Upon all the training I'm giving you in this house, you still have the guts to bring men into my own house.
Time me before
Imagine these children. Wait for me, I'm coming. Hey!
Madam,
Is someone here?
madam, come on.
I'm coming.
Man.
There, Cynthia! Jennifer!
Madam!
Wait for me, I'm coming for you children. Sorry.
Untie me, I beg.
Sorry.
Hey!
God.
Untie me. They untie. Hey, madam, this thing don't they choke me.
It's okay, it's okay.
Untie me, oh.
Hey!
Hey,
This
madam.
will not kill me in this house.
Thank you.
Imagine my house.
Hey, madam, see my
They turned my house to a silent.
Oh, no.
Am I training harlot in this house?
Madam, see you.
It's okay, it's okay.
Hey,
Sorry.
Look, I miss you, madam.
Sorry,
This
sorry.
they pay me, oh.
Sorry.
Be like say they put rest
Hey!
on that place. Hey.
Hey!
Madam.
You see all these boys?
Hey.
Their mother did not give them good training. Eh?
Hey, madam, thank you.
They think they can come here and mess my children up.
Hey.
I will go to their house.
Let go.
I will deal with all of them.
Hey.